What should you do if you accidentally drop your phone into water?
If you're new in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to watch this video till the end.
Follow these steps to save your phone if it falls into water. In summer, you might go swimming, diving and rafting for fun. It would be a disaster if your phone accidentally fell into water. Do you know what you should do the very moment this happens? Let's see if what you do is correct or not. Step 1. Take your phone out of water as fast as possible. Grab it out of the water immediately. Don't shake it, or else water would seep through the surface and damage the internal components. Step 2. Turn off your phone immediately. Turn off your phone as soon as you can and pull out the SIM card and the SD card. Step 3. Dry the surface. Place your phone horizontally and put a soft cloth or facial tissue over the surface of your phone to absorb any moisture. When most of the moisture has been absorbed, wipe your phone until it's clean. Step 4. Put it in a dry and well ventilated place. Put your phone in a dry and well ventilated place with the screen facing upward and keep it tilted with the front camera higher than the lower end. Step 5. Take your phone to the service center for testing. After taking the above steps, take your phone to the local customer service center as soon as possible, where maintenance engineers can carry out professional tests on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video and enjoyed information. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends, family and your colleagues. So see you in the next video. Take care and bye.